Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Now today we're gonna play some Roblox today. So what you want me to do is I had to talk to my little friends, but not yet. I had to play the flood. So let's get this video started. Okay, so whoa, wow, ouch. I'm standing. Go. I'm standing on you. Oh, I almost fall. You. Goo. Hey, you. Noob. Noob. Oh, hey, that. Oh, okay. I didn't look so familiar. I just wanted to see if you could help me. So if you want to watch the part 1 episode, make sure I hit the link in the description below. Dude. I love you, baby. Okay, enough of chit chat. Let's check out what happened down there. Whoa! Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Ooh, okay. Maybe there's no more people in this game, so let's just leave and join another, and join someone who is playing. Okay, so you could see I'm not wearing a shirt. Just kidding, I'm wearing a shirt. But you should be naked if you wear a shirt. Okay, so I just want to see if I'm gonna play with my friends. So it's likely to be my friend. So I just wanted to jump in. Yeah, it's me, Frankie Tane. Okay. Oh, hey guys. Dude. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, Max. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, so I could see where I'm not doing this. So I got. Oh shoot! I fail. Oh hey noob! What the heck is going on with you? Oh hey noob! Did say I need to buy more. I don't want to get more. I want to buy. Oh, 2 times coins. Let's buy 80 Robux. I just wanted to die a little bit. Let's wait. Gosh, I just wanted to play. It's not working, so I'm gonna play on my Xbox later so I could buy stuff. Oh no, it broke. The stair broke. Wait, how did you fly in the flying carpet? Oh, that guy's naked. You. Hey, come tag me. Not. He's cheating. He's cheating. He's cheating. Dude, he's cheating. Oh! He's cheating. He's cheating. Okay, hi. I'm gonna go back up again. Yeah. Sadly, I don't have an intro on my. YouTube channel, so I had to use like that. I just wanted to have fun with my friends. Hey, guy. Can I friend? Get a friend request. Max, I am on whatever he says with him. Pizza. P-H. Whoop! Whoop! Okay, so he failed, so I had to... Those guys are cheating again. Wait, who are... Hey, Chris!
Is cheating. Chris is cheating. Is cheating. Chris is cheating. Chris is cheating. Dude, hi.
How?
The flying carpet. With the flying carpet. Flying carpet. With the flying carpet.
How? With a flying carpet.
I'm on. How? With the flying carpet. Well. Oh yeah. We shouldn't cheat. I'm on the microphone. Me too. Oh!
Don't die. Ooh, that's close. Ooh!
Darn!
I just failed. I cannot do that. Ooh! Shoot, that fails. Dude, you brave! Hey, give me that freaking ball. This ball is mine. Ooh! Give me that ball. I stand it. I got it. I hit my glass building. Ouch. Oh no, not this one. This is hard. I hate this. I hate glass buildings. I played it since I was a kid. I was 6 years old and I didn't record any videos because my mom didn't tell me to. So right now I'm 9 years old because I could record this on YouTube. Now what? Now, ouch! What the heck? Okay, so if you want me to be your friend, go to Roblox and friend me, and my account name is Frank U Tame. That's what it's called. So I haven't played this since I was a kid. Oh. No more cheating, Chrissy. Die, Chris! Die!
Dude! 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 Dude!
Ooh. Oh!
It's still standing! It didn't broke! How so dumb is this game? Okay, I don't have any face cam or whatever, but you cannot see my face or not because I haven't played this game since I was a child. I was poor. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you my face reveal, or today I'll show you my face reveal and then we'll play Roblox. Oh no, not again! The lighthouse! Hey, noob!
You
noob!
Okay. Oh, move out of the way, please. Sucks. Let's go back up. Oh no. No. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so no.
No. Okay, so I need to go home. I need to get back in my room and no. So, hey, oh hey, lady, good, rough girl, Kate. What the heck is that, man? Huh? That's weird. Oh, no. God, don't. Max of that pro. Dude, look at this dude. He needs some milk. Yes. Okay, I have a friend named Max of that pro. Only pro. Oh! Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You die, same. Dude. Oh. 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 Oh, I didn't fall. Oh, shit. Shit, I fall. Done. Dude. Oof. Ow! Let's go. Hi, noobs. Colossal Towers? What the heck is that map? Oh! Oh, wait. That broke? Is that broke? Oof! So long, suckers. Hey, no cheating, Chris! No cheating, Chris. No cheating, Chris. Chris cheating. I know, right? Darn, I know, right? Chris cheating. Cheater face. I know, right? I know, right? Shucks. This one sucks. I'm still cheating. He's still cheating. He's still cheating. He's still cheating. He's still cheating. Ban him. I want to ban him, right? Oops. Okay. You are golden. So I had to do this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, but anyways, I gotta go for now because I have some important stuff to do now. So I'll see you next time on the next part. See ya.